Hey guys, welcome back to a quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the spawning error in the Garry's Mod add-on for the seed ship. So this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to fix the spawning error due to a outdated, or I should say too up-to-date, space build enhancement pack. So I do know that the workshop version is kind of outdated, according to GitHub at least. But since the seed ship was made in 2015, it uses an older version, so it's going to cause conflict when you try and spawn it. So I'm going to walk through how you actually can get the seed ship and how you can get the correct version of Space Build that works with the seed ship. I don't know if this can be useful, but if you've been trying to spawn it and it's not working, well, this should help. This should help. Anyways, let's get started. You want to come down to this OneDrive link, which I've already opened. And you'll see this text file, and it's complete gibberish, but this is all the information to spawn the ship. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and download it, which I've already done. You want to go to Garry's Mod, go over here to Manage, Browse Local Files. It'll come to here. You want to open Garry's Mod, then down to Data, Advanced Dupe 2, and you want to drag the .txt file into here, and then it should appear in the GUI, which I'll show you in a minute. Also, I have Destiny here. Once you've done that, if you try and spawn it with all of the add-ons that it says you need to have, it won't work correctly. So what you want to do is go to the link I'll put in the description to this page here. It's the repository on GitHub. Don't worry, it's not a virus, it's not gonna do anything. But what you want to do is you want to come to this link, make sure this says Lift System Designer, and then you want to see all these files here. Make sure these are the correct files. You want to go over to Code, HTML, Download Zip. Then you want to download that, unzip it to wherever, and then take that unzipped folder, come back over here, go to Local Files, Add-ons, and then drag it in here. If you're familiar with using add-ons that's not on the workshop, you'll know where to put this. You should see this path up here. And then you have this. It should work now. So launch your Garry's Mod. Alright, once you've loaded to whatever map of choice, make sure it's large enough to actually spawn it. I apologize for any frame rate drops. You want to go to your menu, Advanced Dupe 2, Seed Ship. You want to go to your tool gun. You'll see it ghosting. You might get an error in the top left corner. That's okay. And then you can just put it down, and it should load in correctly. It should spawn in correctly, and then you can just kind of play around with it. It does have jump capabilities. It's not incredibly functional, but it is kind of cool. I don't know if it still works. Anyways, yeah, that's kind of it. I will be doing a cap review, like different Stargate mods, I guess, because I have a bunch installed. Like for example, we got the cap mod, cap enhanced. I think I'll go over this one. It just adds NPCs from SG1. And then I will go over the replicator one as well, which adds just replicators. But anyways, that's it for this video. Hope it helped if you're having trouble with that. It is pretty outdated, but it's still, I think, pretty cool. Anyways, I will see you in the next one.
Flames upon Olympus, flames that sear the sky.